it's a picture of the press SpongeBob going back to his house naked.
That's lovely. Anyway, Shards, today I am speedrunning Jake Jr. and I'm going for world record.
And you're recording it, I'm guessing.
Yes.
For you by the end.
Right.
Pizza is my prize for winning the speedrun.
Junior.
Will we Jake Jr. it?
See, that's just a Jake Jr. thread right there. See, what I did right there was a Jake Jr. strat. Alright, let me just...
He's actually doing it. You're almost there.
Shit! Fuck, that might be a time loss.
That's a time loss, that's a time loss.
Yeah, dude, I'm sorry, I can't broadcast this.